Hey there! Do you ever wonder how your packaging choices impact the planet? In today's eco-conscious world, sustainable design in flexible packaging is more crucial than ever. Flexible packaging, known for being lightweight, versatile, and cost-effective, is used across industries from food to pharmaceuticals. But its environmental footprint? Not so great. That's where our training Flexible Packaging Innovative Strategies for Sustainable Design comes in. Why should you care? Well, consumers are demanding eco-friendly solutions, and this training? It's your golden ticket to staying ahead. You'll learn to use bio-based and recycled polymers, cutting down on fossil fuel reliance and boosting recyclability. Master the art of balancing performance with eco-impact. Dive deep into polymer chemistry and material properties to maintain functionality while being green. We'll explore life cycle assessment and circular economy principles. Imagine evaluating and optimizing environmental impact from start to finish. Expert will cover biodegradable additives, smart packaging technologies, and advanced recycling methods. What's in it for you? Gain expertise in sustainable materials, the latest bio-based and recycled polymers. Learn how to integrate life cycle and circular economy principles to reduce environmental impact. Also, drive innovation with strategic design techniques that don't compromise performance. Most importantly, meet regulatory and market demands to stay compliant and trendy. This expert-led training is perfect for polymer formulators, packaging engineers, and sustainability professionals. You'll get insights into innovative materials and new polymer opportunities. Food packaging folks, stay updated on materials. Equipment producers, learn to develop unique processing equipment. So what is there in this training for you? Training expert will discuss in detail the strategic material selection for sustainable packaging. He will go through design strategies for sustainability, life cycle analysis and circular economy, and also take you through the innovations and future trends. You will gain from case studies before wrapping up the session with live Q&A session to clear all your doubts. So why wait? Transform your packaging strategies, meet regulatory demands, and lead the way in sustainable design. Register now and be part of a greener future. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. Let's create a sustainable future together. We are looking forward to seeing you online.